Hey everyone, what's up? For the past couple of weeks, we've been testing out a whole bunch of wireless microphone systems. We're looking for the best option for capturing high-quality audio for videos. In this video, we'll be comparing 4 popular choices: Shure MoveMic, Rode Wireless Pro, DJI Mic 2, Hollyland Lark M2. We'll go through their design, portability, connectivity, usability, and most importantly, sound quality. We'll also test their noise cancellation and signal-to-noise ratio to determine the overall winner. Let's start with the price points. Shure MoveMic starts at $249 for one microphone and charging case, $500 for the full kit with 2 mics. DJI Mic 2 starts at $220 for one mic and receiver, $350 for the full kit. Rode Wireless Pro, $399 for 2 mics and 1 receiver with various accessories. Hollyland Lark M2 varies depending on the connection type. The USB-C version with 2 mics and a receiver costs around $180. Since these are lavalier microphones, you wear them on your shirt to capture clear audio close to your mouth. Aesthetics do play a role. Shure MoveMic. This is the most minimalistic design. When facing outwards, it's a bit visible, but flipped around, it's barely noticeable. However, you're limited to using the clip-on attachment for mounting. Hollyland Lark M2. This one has a circular form factor with a magnetic connection for easy attachment to your shirt. It's also quite small and lightweight. Rode Wireless Pro. This is the bulkiest microphone at 35 grams. DJI Mic 2 weighs in at 28 grams, making it a good middle ground. Shure MoveMic wins for portability due to its small size and lightweight design. It also boasts IPX4 certification, making it somewhat resistant to light rain and splashes. Connectivity. Shure MoveMic and DJI Mic 2 offer 2.4 GHz radio frequencies for transmitter and receiver connection. They also have built-in Bluetooth, allowing direct connection to a smartphone, Shure, or compatible DJI pocket cameras. Rode Wireless Pro and Hollyland Lark M2 utilize the same 2.4 GHz frequencies. When using the transmitters with receivers, all microphones operate at a line-of-sight communication distance of around 100 meters. Latency falls between 10 to 15 milliseconds. In our testing, the Shure and Hollyland Lark M2 showed signal drop-offs beyond 30 meters compared to the Rode and DJI systems, which offered a more stable connection over longer distances. Recording capabilities. Rode and DJI microphones offer 32-bit float recording, allowing for greater dynamic range and flexibility in post-production. Rode and DJI also have built-in recording capabilities, with 32 gigabytes internal storage on the Rode and 8 gigabytes on the DJI. All 4 microphones utilize an omnidirectional polar pickup pattern, capturing sound from all around the mic. We put each microphone to the test to see how they sound. We recorded speech samples in a quiet environment so you can hear the microphone itself. Insert sound samples here. Noise cancellation test. Next, we tested the noise cancellation capabilities of each microphone. We used static background noise and switched noise cancellation on and off to see the difference. Insert noise cancellation test with audio samples. Based on the measurements and listening tests, the Shure MoveMic appears to do the best job at actively reducing background noise while maintaining clear vocals. The signal-to-noise ratio indicates the amount of inherent hiss in the microphone signal. We measured this in a quiet environment with all microphones connected to a USB audio interface for optimal recording quality. Here are the results. Rode Wireless Pro, -65 decibels, RMS Max. DJI Mic 2, -61 decibels, RMS Max, Hollyland Lark M2, -60 decibels, RMS Max, Shure MoveMic, -58 decibels RMS max. The Shure MoveMic has the highest signal-to-noise ratio, meaning it has slightly more noticeable hiss. Hollyland Lark M2 boasts the longest battery life with up to 10 hours of recording with noise cancellation off, using 2 transmitters. Shure MoveMic offers 11 hours in low-power mode and 8 hours in high-power mode, with 2 additional charges possible using the charging case. DJI Mic 2 provides 6 hours of battery life, with the charging case offering 2 additional charges for a total of 18 hours. Rode Wireless Pro delivers 7 hours of battery life with the transmitter and receiver, with the case extending it to 21 hours. Here's a quick breakdown of the pros and cons of each microphone. Shure MoveMic. Pros: most compact and minimalistic design, Bluetooth connectivity, good sound quality, noise cancellation, IPX4 certification. Cons: limited mounting options, higher signal-to-noise ratio, more hiss. Rode Wireless Pro. Pros: excellent sound quality, long-range connectivity, built-in recording, various accessories. Cons: bulky design, no Bluetooth connectivity, highest price point. DJI Mic 2 Pros: good sound quality, Bluetooth connectivity to DJI cameras, built-in recording, decent battery life. Cons: average connectivity range, lower battery life compared to some options. Hollyland Lark M2. Pros: very lightweight, magnetic connection, long battery life, good value for money. Cons: average sound quality, shorter connectivity range compared to Rode and DJI. The best microphone for you depends on your specific needs and priorities. Here are some recommendations. Most portable and minimalistic, Shure MoveMic. Best sound quality and long-range connectivity, Rode Wireless Pro, if budget allows. Good balance of features and value, DJI Mic. 2-star focus on long battery life and affordability, Hollyland Lark M2. I hope this comparison video helps you choose the right wireless microphone system for your video projects.